Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have accounts. Now start connecting them. First, open LinkedIn and copy your public profile URL from the contact info section so you can link it directly. Then, on Upwork, go to your profile edit area and have your browser ready to paste that link. Make sure LinkedIn is set to public visibility so clients can view it without logging in. Once done, you'll move to the Upwork verification and portfolio steps that embed the link for trust and discoverability. Now add the link into the most relevant Upwork fields. Open your Upwork profile editor and choose Portfolio or Overview to add an external link. If those aren't available, insert it under Experience or Education with clear context. Paste your LinkedIn URL and write a concise description, your role, company, and year, so clients know why to click. Make sure the link opens in a new tab and test it. This helps clients verify your background quickly and improves conversion from profile views to messages. Finish by verifying the link works across devices. You should click the LinkedIn link from your Upwork profile on desktop and mobile to confirm it opens without requiring login. If it's blocked, change LinkedIn privacy to public or use your LinkedIn public profile URL instead of a private slug. If Upwork doesn't show the update, save edits twice and clear your browser cache, or try an incognito window. One troubleshooting tip: if clients still can't see it, ask a friend to test and send you a screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.